Rumors have the LG G7 happening sooner than expected and with monster specifications. We get launch dates for the Oppo F7 that claims to be the selfie king, at least in megapixels. And if you have bought an Amazon battery pack recently, you might want to try to get a refund. I'm Jaime Rivera, and even though I decided not to buy the FC Barcelona shirt this year because I found it ugly, may the odds be with the team today, even if by the time you watch this video, the game will be over. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. You saw our recent comparison of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Both great phones, and I still recommend the Note 8. I still consider it awesome. If you're in the market, it's currently on eBay as new other, listed for $580, which is pretty much half off. I mean, that phone is worth that amount of money. I'd recommend you go for it. Now let's talk about Amazon, as the company has just started recalling 260,000 battery packs that were sold between 2014 and 2017 over at least 50 cases of these either exploding or leaking or whatever, which is definitely a safety issue. You can learn more about this in the description. This is one of those things where we highly suggest you don't think about it, don't wait it out, just get a replacement. But we're not exactly sure what you're getting as a replacement. Again, the description will teach you more. Now let's talk about the Essential phone, that device that we love holding so much and we love using so much up until the moment we have to take a photo. But one of the coolest parts is we're still waiting for the Essential 2, mainly because the Essential 1 was gorgeous, but it just gets Android Oreo, and I'm talking Android 8.1 as of today. Would I recommend the Essential phone for the price tag right now? Sure, why not? But again, I'm waiting for Essential 2. Now let's move the spotlight over to Oppo, as, well, the company didn't wait. They just pretty much announced their new Oppo F7, which is the selfie king according to them. And the reason why is, well, we've got a notch, but that notch actually serves a purpose. There's a 25 megapixel selfie camera there. As the company has definitely given more importance to the fact that people like to take selfies. And obviously there's a 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio display. Resolution's actually great. We can't wait to tell you more about this phone. We're actually getting one soon, and we'll tell you if it's really the selfie king or not. And finally, the very interesting news today have to do with rumors on the LG G7. And bear with me here, as there are a few. First of all, apparently the name is going to remain LG G7. We should expect a possible launch happening in May. It seems that we're getting a notch and monster specs like the Snapdragon 845. In addition, we didn't hear much about RAM, but storage will start at 64 gigabytes apparently. Dual 16 megapixel cameras are coming here. And yeah, did I mention a notch? I did mention a notch. That's part of the design, it seems. And it's rather interesting and all, but the question today is, do you even care about that LG G7 after all the delays that have happened recently? In my case, I do. I feel that LG has done an amazing job. I just can't wait for them to fix the software. And I feel that the LG V30 didn't provide the cameras that we were expecting. And by the way, the V40 apparently will happen in November. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know what you think. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our review of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.